Pterodactyl here. Today we're going to unbox this box. Well, we're going to open this box and unbox whatever's in there. And this came from Taryl fan Josh, who also has a YouTube channel that's called Josh's Inflatable and Tractor Guy. Yeah, and he's in Mount Bethel, Pennsylvania. And he sent us something in here. We're going to see what it is.
Oh, I'm excited, Taryl. It's a pretty cool looking package.
I hope I don't cut through whatever's in here. I think I got a sneaky suspicion of what's in here.
Yeah, I might have an idea.
Some bubble wrap! Woo!
Yeah, now
bubble
we're talking.
wrap! All right, I love bubble wrap.
Just what we wanted.
And some boxes.
Yeah.
But we want to play with the bubble wrap first.
And there's your supper. Tune in next time.
I'm a bubble wrapper. Got my bubble wrap. Don't take any crap.
Let's get to it, to the fun
with the bubble wrap. What's this? A box. A white. Oh, that's Scatty. Scatty. It's an inflatable. Scatty inflatable.
LED, 7 foot tall.
Wow, that's taller than you and me.
That's scary.
What else is in here? Peanuts.
Snoopy.
Snoopy. Sitting on a pumpkin. Or jack-o'-lantern. Nice. How tall is that one? I can't see.
3.5 footer on that one. And it lights up too.
I'm sure they all do. And this is something in here. This is the mystery box.
Stab it, just blindly stab into it.
Does it say anything on that barcode?
It says barcode.
Barcode. And a big one
Jumbo
here.
size.
Oh,
look at that.
Woo, Scatty! Scatty!
5.5 footer on that.
5.5 foot skeleton head.
With little Spidey guys crawling them all over him.
With Spideys on them.
It's pretty scary.
Joyce skeleton head. All right.
What's in the mystery box?
All right, well, let's see what's in the mystery box. It's a scatty mystery.
Now we can set these babies up. See them in action. Maybe it's a custom Taryl. Whoa, be careful there. Some more boxes.
It's a box. Inside a box. Inside a box.
Oh, that's the scariest one.
A 4 foot
Pumpkin guy.
jack-o'-lantern with arms.
And
it's LED.
Put it back in the other box. I'm scared.
Scaring me. I'm afraid to open it. All right, let's set some of these up and get scared. I'm very scared right now. Scatty times. We could use these in our when we do our Halloween.
Yeah, definitely.
Do our Halloween videos. Are you scared? Don't be scared. What's this? Stakes to drive through the pumpkin's heart in case it goes rogue.
We're gonna set them up inside.
All right,
first.
let's set them up and see what happens.
It's coming to life.
It's alive! It's alive!
Guy looks pretty creepy. Let's get this guy going over here.
Fingers and arms are moving.
Here comes Snoopy. He's gonna save the day.
Oh, look at that!
Look at that!
And there's Woodstock.
Yep, little Woodstock guy with him. Get these other two hooked up.
How you doing there, buddy? How are you? Pterodactyl, glad to meet you. Glad to meet you.
Hey, Taryl, check this out.
What? Ah, 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 ah.
Scared him.
Stupid inflatable. Sorry, ma'am.
I got an idea.
What?
I'm gonna skate this course.
What do you mean skate?
Snake my way through on my skateboard.
Skateboard?
You got it.
An old man like you?
Hey,
You're gonna break your hip.
just because I'm 97 doesn't mean I can't still lay down some tricks.
Better be careful. You're gonna crack your noggin open.
Whoa, whoa, ah, ah. Whoa. That was scary. Whoa, 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 whoa. That man still got the moves, baby.
What, you think you're Tony Hawk?
Yeah. Slip man hawk.
Yeah, you're more like Kerwin.
Kerwin P. Slip
Chicken.
man.
You're not a hawk.
Kerwin P. Slip man hawk.
More like a turkey that can't fly.
What? Whoa. Whoa.
Careful, old man.
Whoa. Whoa, touch the sky, baby.
You know what's even scarier than these inflatables? Is watching him on a skateboard. It's pretty scary.
And there's your supper, baby.
Well, I just want to thank Josh, the inflatable and tracker guy, for these beautiful Halloween inflatables that we'll probably use in one of our Halloween skits coming up this October. And as always, there's your dinner.
Woo! And there's your supper.
All right, you're scaring me on that skateboard. Stop it.
Whoa, whoa. Whoa.
What happened? What's the matter? What, are you guys tired? Get up.